A very warm welcome in today's class. So, how are you all doing? Great? Excited for the exam? Okay, yes, you must be. So, let's crack CSIR UGC NET together with Unacademy. Highly motivated, highly enthusiastic, along with the festive vibe, right? So, you know about me, I'm your educator Farida Bandookwala, and we have to sail through this. So, if you are preparing with Unacademy, a heartiest best of luck from my side to you all. I want you all to succeed with flying colors, and I want you all to come back in my another live video where you people are writing that yes ma'am, we have qualified the examination. So a very best of luck, and I want you all to crack it in the very first attempt. Or if you are not doing this for the first time, let's do it this time, right? So let's start. Um, the topic of today is revision strategy. Revision strategy. So what is my suggestion to you all is don't go for any kind of new theory. New theory is going to make you a little panic because now it's time for revision. I would not ask you to go into deep theory of some new topic. It might create some kind of anxiety in you that I don't know this and I don't know that. If it's a revision, it should be a hardcore revision, and revision should also be diagram based. If you are trying to cover 2-3 units in some 2-3 days, that last moment revision I want to do, so don't go for the lengthy theories. Go for diagrams, go for flowcharts, so that it can have a kind of pictorial image in your mind. You won't have to mug up anything, right? So last time revision strategy is while you are turning the pages, just go for diagrams and flowcharts. Don't go for detailed theory. One thing, then if you are going for any kind of numerical, or you think that yes, I'm interested in solving numericals, I'll be doing numericals from evolution, I'm going to touch the techniques. So just revise your formulas. Revise your formulas. Because you know what? The numericals are most scoring thing whenever you are doing any kind of life science paper. We think that mathematics along with biology makes a disaster, but it is the most easy thing because you don't have to use so many equations and so many things. The most easiest thing, and skills are required up till your 8th or 9th standard term. Other than that, you don't know. No, you don't have to do anything. So revise your formulas well. If you have done 2, 4, 5 formulas and you think that question is going to come from this and I'm going to do it, so go and revise your formulas here and now. Like if you are going for Hardy-Weinberg's principle, just go there and see if the language of question is going to be like this. I'm going to solve the question this way. Because you know the language of the question matters a lot. Otherwise, formulas, they are very easy. So if you're going for Hardy-Weinberg, just see the sample question, that what the language of question is telling you. So revise your formulas, go for diagrams, and go for your flowcharts. This is going to be really helpful to you all. Now, amongst 13 units, you people must have done the cell bio part, biomolecule part. That is like a must. No one avoids it. So just revise the things and just see the keywords. Don't go for detail that what is its mode of action and detailed mode of action we are doing. No, just go for the keywords, and I'm sure that everything is going to come in your mind while you are giving your exam, right? So revise your formulas, diagrams, flowcharts, and watch the strategy video that how you are going to attempt all the 3 sections in that particular time. If you are doing section A, just go for the simple question. Don't use extra brain. Like the simple way, if it is you are able to solve that question, good. If it is taking lots of energy, then it means that the question might be twisted. You can skip and go ahead. So for A, what I would suggest is go for simple things, though they ask you very simple things in A, but there are many students who sometimes gets wrapped into solving it in a lengthier way. So solve the easier ones, and B is all about your presence of mind. So do not do anything which is causing any kind of panic or anxiety in you. Just revise your things calmly, composedly, revise your cell signaling, revise your immunology, revise your evolution and ecology. They have lots of potential in them to make you qualify the examination. So do not skip them at all. And lastly, take a deep breath. You are going to sail through this. And a very, very best of luck from Unacademy. You people have prepared with Unacademy. You have seen the videos, and I'm sure that you are gonna do it. So a very, very best luck from us to you. Come back and tell me that yes, the paper was really good. Not easy, but really good. If it was difficult also, you people have done it. I want to hear this from you. So this is it for now. Do not forget your cell signaling, immunology, evolution, ecology, and biomolecules. And I think that mol bio part is like every student's favorite. So mol bio is like, it's not questionable. Just revise these 3-4 topics. Like if you are opting for 9 units out of 13 for this examination, don't go for revising all the 9 units. Go for revision of 4 to 5 units in the last moment, and that too in a diagrammatic and flowchart manner. So I think this was enough gyan for the last minute preparation, and this gyan is enough for now. And it's a bye from my side. Be happy and qualify the examination. This is what I want you people to tell me. Bye.